Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo. I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months just by doing it with food, and I know you can too. We've helped hundreds of clients do it, so if any of us can, you can as well. And you do not have to have weight be a long-term pandemic. Now, this video we're going to focus on intermittent fasting and how you're going to use that with keto, and that is the secret to super fast fat loss, specifically if done right and executed correctly over time. Now, let's get to the bottom line. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is when you switch your body from consistently consuming to having times of non-consumption. You're limiting the body from consuming any sort of caloric intake. And when you do something like that, you allow your body to go into a fat burning state. But more importantly, your body starts to regulate its hormones because it is not spending its time trying to process the energy. It's spending its time utilizing recycled proteins once you're in a fasted state. Now, intermittent fasting is usually done within two different types of windows. There's the 16 to 8, and I've also seen the 20 to 4. I like to do the 22 to 2. It just depends on the person and how they feel. And honestly, I think it depends on where they are within their journey. If you're farther along in your journey, a lot of times doing 22 2 is very normal to you. A lot of people just do 23 1. And it just depends on how much practice you've had into this. Because, I mean, if you think about our current standard lifestyles, a lot of us are consuming 4 or 5 meals a day every day because we're told that is the right strategy. And because that is our foundational understanding of it, intermittent fasting tends to be the opposite grain on the opposite end of the grain. But truth be told, it is actually the right way to do it, as our bodies have been formed to fast and not necessarily consistently be consuming. A lot of times I'll talk to my team and I'll say, I mean, you guys, look, right now I can go buy any fruit, any time of the day, any season of the year. And that's the problem, where we were originally built to fast, which is why intermittent fasting is such a key part to life. But just doing it right is very, very important, because then you're going to make it sustainable and you're able to keep doing it for the long run. Now, fasting for fat loss is a technique to lose weight, especially if your body is now comfortable burning fat for energy. If that is the case, you will not have the discomfort of hunger, pain, tired. You will not have any of the negative side effects, which entail makes it even simpler to continue on to this lifestyle. Now, from my personal experience, I have done this for 6 years now. And in that time frame, just on what impacts me specifically, the longer I fast, the better I feel. And there's a lot of other people that you can see online that have had the same exact effects. And many of our clients that we've done it, I think only like maybe 2 to 10 of them ever have said that they've not felt better from fasting longer. So you just have to make sure that you are basically compensating for the minerals that are being depleted. And as long as you do that, fasting becomes very, very easy, very, very simple. And from all the experiences we've seen, it becomes a lifestyle that makes it so much easier to heal rather than consistently be depleting your energy, right? Now, best way to get started, in my opinion, is just to dive in and try. Many people do all these rituals for starting, like, oh, I need to have this set up. I need to eat all this the day before. No, the trick is just to start. Just fast. Just see how long you can go. And when you get really, really hungry, eat. And make sure you're eating the right stuff with the right ingredients. You do that, then your time to hunger delay becomes longer distanced. And that's what you want over time, right? Now, my best encouragement to give you is find people like me who fully support this and watch their videos and see what they're going through and what they're doing. The more you can engulf this information, the easier it is for you to adapt and end up doing it. And our hope here is to heal thousands of lives and lose millions of pounds, because weight is a pandemic that needs to be fixed over everything else, because that actually causes long-term problems. And the sooner we can get less people to be overweight, the better. So consume the information. Do not, anytime you have a failed event, don't let it be the rippling effect to more failed events. If you eat bad one day, it's okay. Get off the horse, or get back on the horse and try again. As long as you continuously try that, you will be able to heal your hormonal imbalance. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.